Like to invite the gentleman from Triune Exhibitors. We have Mr. Cyril Pereira, the Managing Director, for a vote of thanks. Let's welcome him with a round of applause, please.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಗಳು. ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿರುವ ತಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಹೃತ್ಪೂರ್ವಕ ವಂದನೆಗಳು. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my proud privilege to propose the vote of thanks, and I would like to take this opportunity to thank all esteemed guests and dignitaries present here. A big thank you to our Honorable Union Minister for Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises, Government of India, respected Shri Narayan Rane, for accepting our invitation to grace this occasion and share his thoughts. In spite of his busy schedule and official commitments, he has accepted our invitation to be the chief guest for the curtain raiser of IMS 2022. We sincerely thank you, sir. I must mention our deep sense of appreciation for respected Dr. Murugesh Nirani ji, Honorable Minister for Large and Medium Industries, Government of Karnataka, for his time and for sharing his qualitative thoughts. By his presence, he has added color to this program. Thank you very much, sir. I'm sure with your blessings and support, IMS 2022 will reach greater heights. I also wish to express my gratitude to Shri P. Ramadas, Managing Director, Manufacturing Systems Ltd, for providing encouragement and support. Friends, as you all know, Manufacturing Systems have already confirmed 240 square meters space in IMS 2022 exhibition. I sincerely thank him for this gesture. Thank you, sir. I am very grateful and also would like to acknowledge our gratitude to Shri Chandrashekar HG, Founder and Managing Director, SASMOS HG Technologies Limited, for his inspirational thoughts and for associating with IMS 2022. Thank you, sir. A big thank you and our deep sense of appreciation to all our chief guests and our guests of honor for all their thought-provoking ideas and encouragement, which will go a long way in making IMS 2022 exhibition a great success. I also extend my thanks to Team Lagu Udyog Bharati, Karnataka chapter, and the IMS Foundation for their enormous cooperation and support in organizing this curtain raiser for the 5th edition of IMS 2022. I also thank Mr. Mohanty, DGM of Canara Bank, who is present here. Thank you, sir. As you are aware, media plays an important role in promoting any exhibition and conference. I wholeheartedly thank the entire electronic and print media for their presence here and for covering this program. Thank you very much. I would like to thank all our invited dignitaries and all of you who have attended this curtain raiser of IMS 2022 and appreciate your valuable presence on this occasion, which will go a long way in making IMS 2022 exhibition a runaway success. I would like to thank all those who are either directly or indirectly involved in supporting us to organize this event. Thank you very much. Vandanagalu, Namaskara, Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka.